everyone, for those who are new, I'm Monica and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you how to cook a delicious, healthy and gluten and starch-free breakfast. I'll use these oat groats to make two types of breakfast. They are sweet and savory breakfast. Let's go! The main ingredients in this recipe is of course the oat groats. And we also need the rolled oats. Here I'm using with the dried grapes rolled oats. First, let's measure the oat groats, 2 tablespoons of oat groats. And I will add 2 tablespoons of rolled oats too. This one I will plan to make for the sweet breakfast. After that, pour 400 milliliter of hot or warm water. As usually, oat groats need time to be cooked, so I use this method by soaking it with hot or warm water and leave it for one night. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to cook oat groats. I have left it for one night. Let's have a look. They usually will plump up. So this way, we will save our energy for cooking and save our time too. So I will switch on the stove at the high heat to let it boil. So guys, as usual, before breakfast, I always have warm water, or I add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into my warm water. This is actually a good way to start our day, especially if we are going to avoid a starchy or gluten breakfast. This is a very good way to eliminate this gluten or starchy food. It also helps to clean off some greasy fat in our stomach. So now, let's have a look at the oat groats. We need to stir once in a while, and please do not leave it too long because we want to avoid the groats stick on the base. And here I'm using 2 small pandan leaves. But if you don't have, you can use cinnamon. I'm using organic coconut sugar and some coconut milk. If you don't have them at hand, you may use any sugar or honey and cow milk or even soya milk. So after it is boiling, turn down the heat to medium-low and stir once in a while and simmer it for 5 minutes. Guys, I have been consuming these oat groats for quite some time in my life, and I feel it is very good for my health. By the way, guys, what you usually eat for your breakfast? Could you share it in the comment section? Okay, it's been simmered for 5 minutes. And it's time to put in the coconut sugar. I'll use only 1 teaspoon. And also some coconut milk. In here, I only use 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. I kept my remaining coconut milk in the refrigerator. If you are interested to know how to keep or store coconut milk so it is fresh for 1 to 2 weeks, please check out my previous video on how to keep or store coconut milk in the fridge. I'll put the link in the description. Please check it out.
Smells really good.
It's time to enjoy my sweet breakfast. It tastes better than it looks. I love more flavor of coconut milk in my sweet breakfast, so I add a bit of coconut milk. For the second version, we need these ingredients: pepper, salt, 1 egg, and flavored dried shiitake mushroom, also some butter or margarine. The method is the same. We soak the oat groats, 4 tablespoons of oat groats in 400 milliliter of warm or hot water, stay overnight, and the next day we cook it in high heat, and after it is boiling, turn down the heat to medium or medium-low, and then keep stirring to avoid they are sticking on the base. So do not leave it. And while waiting, we can prepare our other ingredients: eggs and this roasted flavored shiitake mushrooms, and salt, some pepper. For the flavored dried shiitake mushrooms, you can check out my previous ingredients, how to make the versatile meat substitute. I'll also put the link in the description. 2 tablespoons of meat substitute, but this is optional. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. You may replace it with carrots or other vegetables. Or if you have some corns, the fresh corns, you may add them some into these oat groats. Now we are going to add the egg. And once you have dropped the egg into the boiling oat groats, quickly stir it to make it mix well, and then add some salt, some pepper. It is optional if you don't like pepper. And it's done. Stir a while to mix them well. Switch off the heat, and we are going to add some butter into the mixture. If you don't like, you can use also olive oil or roasted sesame oil. Remove it from the heat and serve. It usually goes well with green or red tea. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you like today's recipe, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and comment it. And if you are new to my channel, do consider to subscribe. I'll appreciate it very much. And do not forget to switch on the notification so that you'll not miss any new video from me. Thanks again. Bye.